Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your Jis News for Monday, April 15, 2024. More than 100 farmers within the Ebony Park Agro Parks in Clarendon will benefit from a steady and dependable supply of water to minimize production loss. This is being facilitated through the implementation of a $106 million drought mitigation project by Agro Investment Corporation AIC. The project will span 6 weeks beginning in May. It allows for the installation and maintenance of 1.8 kilometers of forced transmission, main and pump switchgear at the Ebony Park Agro Park. During the contract signing on Thursday, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green said the initiative aimed to bring 93 acres of fertile farmland in the Agro Park into full production,
which will in tandem move up our utilization and our productivity and give our farmers a better opportunity to be profitable. So this is a tremendous project to truly fulfill the original intent of the agri-parks.
Managing Director of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JAAA, Omar Sweeney, says the irrigation system will also benefit a larger 950 acres of land that is already protected.
In terms of the beneficiaries, more than 100 farmers who are currently in this space will see to better irrigation from their crops. Such a timely intervention, contemplating all the drought conditions, not just happening in Jamaica, but across the region and the world.
The project is being implemented under Phase 2 of the Rural Economic Development Initiative and is funded by the government through a loan from the World Bank. Meanwhile, a further $90 million is being provided by the Ministry of Agriculture to offset production losses to farmers due to the impact of the drought. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green says that of the $90 million, $24 million will go towards the trucking of water to livestock farmers.
We're also expanding the parishes of focus. So we would have started with Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, Manchester and Trelawney. Based on all our information, we're incorporating now Westmoreland, Portland and St. Anne into our drought mitigation program. 58 million of the 90 million is going to go towards irrigation kits, storage tanks, drip hoses, so that ultimately when rain does come, when water does come, our farmers will be able to harvest and to use more efficiently in periods of drought.
The remaining $8 million will be spent on rainwater harvesting facilities. Minister Green is encouraging farmers to contact their parish office and the National Irrigation Commission for any additional support. In other news, the Jamaica Athletic Administration Association, JAAA, has received $10 million to support the staging of the Invitational track meet. The check was handed over by Sport Minister Olivia Grange at the launch of the meet last week. The event is scheduled for May 11 at the National Stadium and will see Jamaica welcoming athletes from elsewhere in the Caribbean, the USA, Canada, UK and Europe.
The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport fully supports and endorses this meet, as it will allow athletes and coaches to accurately assess their current status and make the necessary adjustments to achieve the preferred results in good time for the upcoming Olympics.
She also revealed that the Ministry of Sports would be providing approximately $60 million as incentives for each member of the contingent that goes to the Olympics. And finally, Chief Justice Brian Sykes is assuring that the Court of Appeal is well on its way to eliminating its backlog of cases. Justice Sykes was speaking at the launch of the Judiciary of Jamaica's Strategic Business Plan 2024 to 2028 on Wednesday. The plan outlines policies, programs and projects to drive efficiency in the court services.
The clearance rate was 71. That is 71 cases for every 100 cases coming in. Then the report following, it went up to 81. And then in 2022, it went up to 111. And last year, 117. So in other words, the productivity of the Court of Appeal has improved by 40% in just about 3 years. And that is a remarkable achievement.
Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says increased productivity in the courts could free up billions of dollars for the Jamaican economy. He says at least $50 billion is wrapped up in various legal proceedings currently under litigation.
When cases are incomplete and undecided, it is holding up hundreds of billions of dollars, where the litigants are unable to make decisions until the case is completed. I have mentioned, said the Administrator General, if the matters could just be completed, in excess of $50 billion of property, $5 billion of cash in the bank could be passed on to the stakeholders of these estates.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.